Hello everybody, welcome to AdNet Physics Bio video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Electronics and Communication. The question is, which one of the following represents forward bias diode? Option A, P type 0 volt, N type minus 2 volt. Option B, P type P side minus 4 volt, N side minus 3 volt. C, P side minus 2 volt and N side plus 2 volt. And in option D, P side minus 3 volt, N side plus 5 volt. Of which is the right options are. When a PN junction diode is forward biased, its P side is kept at more positive than N side. Okay, more positive. You see, in option A, this is 0 volt, this is minus 2 volt. When compared to minus 2, this 0 is more positive. When compared to this minus 3 volt, this minus 4 volt is still negative, is it not? Similarly, in option C also, it is more negative. In D also, it is P side is more negative. Only in option A, even though it is 0, sir, the plus 1, plus 2, you just compare this 0 volt and minus 2 volt, this is more positive. Okay, so that is 0 volt at P side and minus 2 volt at N side represents forward biased. So option A is the right answer. Okay, option A is the right answer. Very simple question. So you have to be familiar with such circuits and which is positive, which is negative, which is more positive, which is more negative. All these things you must be familiar with. Okay. So far we have discussed 13 questions put together from round 1 and round 2 in this chapter Electronics and Communication. Okay, that's all. With this we have seen 13 questions from each chapter. In this way we have discussed all the 20 chapters in your plus 2 syllabus. We will discuss more questions in our round 3. Okay, till then, thank you one and all.